How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? This is Jeff with iDownload Blog. We are talking about Celeste 2. Yes, Celeste Part 2 is now available in a Cydia store. This is the ultimate Bluetooth file transfer for iOS. It allows your iPhone, your iPad, your iPod Touch to talk to other devices over Bluetooth, including computers, both Macs and PCs. You can import the data that you transfer into your libraries on your device, and it all works with basically no setup. You just install it and start transferring files to and fro. You can go into the help if you want some more information on all the various aspects of this tweak, but really I'm going to show you how simple it is to share with your, between your iOS device, or in this case, a Mac. But the principle behind the transfer is essentially the same across any device that allows for Bluetooth transfers. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. So first and foremost, I'm going to show you how to transfer a screenshot from this device, my iPod Touch, over to my Mac. And I'm going to show you how ridiculously easy it is. So first of all, take a screenshot like that. And now we're going to go ahead and transfer that file right from the sharing menu, because Celeste integrates. It makes it seem like it's a native part of iOS, and it does so very easily. So I'm going to share right there. Just tap the share button. It finds my MacBook Air there. I just tap MacBook Air, and you can see it connecting, and you'll see a little prompt pop up on my Mac, and you can see it sending on over. It's that simple, ladies and gentlemen. Really minimal setup here, and you get a banner notification once it's complete. There is the file that I just sent over. And it works just like that. A super simple implementation, minimal, if any, setup. You just start transferring files. It's that simple. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to actually send a screenshot. I'm going to take a screenshot on my Mac, just like this. And I'm going to send that from the Mac over to my iPod Touch. So what you need to do is click the Bluetooth icon in the menu bar and select Send File to Device. It's that simple. All right, now you'll get a little pop-up allowing you to choose the file. In this case, the screenshot. I selected it. Send, and then select my device. Of course, it's going to be my iPod. Select that, and then go ahead and hit Send. And then you see it in just a second. It'll pop up right here on my iPod Touch. It'll say, do you want to accept this file? Something to that nature. So it's starting to send on the Mac. You can see it there. And in just a second, you should see it pop up on the iPod here. So there we go. All right, so there you go. Now you can either deny that or accept it. Of course, I accepted it, and you could see the transfer is complete now. And that actually, what it did, since Gremlin is enabled to import automatically, it's just going to appear right there in your Photos app, just like that. So there is the screenshot we just took on the Mac, transferred it over to the iPod Touch. That is the power of Celeste 2, ladies and gentlemen. So let's try one more thing. Let's try this song here. I know you guys are very familiar with that song. That is the Daily Recap song, also the song we use for the podcast there. So now we're going to just transfer that over to our iPod Touch here. So I'll select the podcast folder and select the Daily Recap, select my iPod, and I'm going to go ahead and send that over. So you can see it's sending. There it is. I can accept or deny that. I'll, of course, accept. And it's sending on over. And we should be done here momentarily. And there's the banner notification, and that has imported the Daily Recap theme song over into, yes, you guessed it, the music app. So I can perform a search right there in the music app for Daily Recap, and it will actually find and allow me to play the Daily Recap theme song right there in my music app. There it is. See it? So I'm going to open it up. And here we go. Let's start playing, pump up the volume a little bit. So there we go, folks. It is, it's a beautiful thing. It is Celeste, and it makes, with zero configuration, it integrates with a wide variety of apps, including Photos, iPod, Contacts, iBooks, voice memos, notes, Dropbox. You can send and receive all your favorite important files instantly over between devices. With the first version of Celeste, I wasn't very high on it. It seemed a little cumbersome to configure, but with this one, it's brand new. It uses the native Bluetooth stack, so it makes it super easy to set up, configure, and you just really start using it after you install it. Again, it's available for $6.99 on Cydia's Big Boss Repo. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is Jeff with iDownloadBlog.